How AI works. Key concepts and technologies. Simplified artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly evolved from science fiction to a transformative force shaping industries and everyday life. But how does AI work? What enables machines to perform tasks that once required human intelligence? This blog unpacks the core concepts and technologies of how AI works in a simple and accessible way. The basics of AI at its core. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence by machines. This encompasses tasks such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, understanding language, and perceiving the environment. AI systems are designed to make decisions, often using vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. Key elements of AI include data. AI systems require a lot of data to learn and make informed decisions. The more high-quality data an AI system has, the better it performs. Algorithms. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions that allow machines to process data and arrive at conclusions. In AI, these algorithms are often inspired by mathematical models and statistical principles. Computing power. Modern AI relies on powerful hardware, such as GPUs, graphics processing units, and TPUs, tensor processing units, to handle complex computations at high speeds.